Your health and safety should always be your two main concerns when working in the workshop, and this is not only because you're dealing with some dangerous power tools, but also because they produce a lot of dust. Dust can result in a myriad of health issues, but you can eliminate or at least minimize the risk by investing in a reliable and efficient dust collector. A dust collector is one of the best investments that you can make for your workshop, and this is regardless whether you wear dust masks and respirators or not. Woodworking dust collectors are available in different price ranges and from various manufacturers, and so you need to make sure that you choose the right one for your working area or workshop. And hopefully with this video that shows you some of the top dust collectors and these crucial points that I'm going to share with you, you should be able to pick something that is appropriate for your workshop. The Jet is a single stage dust collector that provides economical and quiet operation, and it comes with dual 4-inch dust ports that will allow you simultaneous connection of two machines. But the vortex cone technology is what makes this an outstanding dust collector, as it eliminates filter clogging and hence improving the ease of use and strengthens the overall performance. This dust collector uses a 5-micron bag filter kit that will capture up to 98% of the 5-micron particles and about 74% of the 1-micron dust particles. And although this is one of the priciest dust collectors in this video, it is still relatively inexpensive if you compare it to the other high quality single stage dust collectors in the market. With an air suction capacity of 1280 CFM, the Fox dust collector will get rid of the wood dust from your woodworking projects fast and efficiently. Like most other high performance dust collectors, it runs on 1.5 horsepower motor, and it has a dual 4-inch port with a Y fitting that makes it possible to use it for two power tools at once. You can use this dust collector as both a central dust collector system or as a mobile unit, as it is lightweight. And also this dust collector uses a steel impeller that will last for way longer than plastic ones, and it has a powder coated finish that prevents fading and chipping to increase the lifespan of the machine. The Dust Deputy by Oneida Air Systems is the most affordable dust collector in this video, but it is still an efficient and highly reliable system that will help keep your workshop dust free. It separates up to 99% of materials before it reaches your vacuum, and this in turn ensures that your filters remain cleaner for longer so that you do not have to keep replacing them. And also it will work with both wet and dry vacuum to make it even more convenient. This dust collector comes in a unique design with anti-static resin, cyclone and tapered ports that will connect to most shop vacuums. Its compact size makes it the best dust collector for small shops and also ideal for use in different work sites. Waste disposal will also be very easy when using this dust collector, as you only need to empty the bucket without ever having to open your vacuum. Any woodworker that is looking to get more from their dust collection system should try this Jet. Although it is the priciest unit in this video, it's worth every money that you spend on it. This Cyclone dust collector is a highly efficient unit that features a directly mounted filter that will eliminate the inefficiencies that result from bends and rigid flex hosing. The two-stage system is more reliable in trapping even the smallest dust particles than the single-stage units, and it does this using a pleated material for filtering the fine dust particles. With this dust collector, you can trap 1-micron dust particles and even smaller ones. The larger debris is also easy to get rid of when using this dust collector, as it also comes with a 20-gallon drum with some quick release levers and independent casters to make emptying easy. The Fox wall mounted dust collector is an excellent choice when you don't have a lot of space in the shop, as it is just 44 inches long when you inflate the bag. This dust collector uses a 2.5 micron bag with a capacity of 2 cubic feet and a bottom zipper that makes it easy to empty. It has a 4-inch intake hole that is large enough to accommodate most power tools, and so it will be handy to have around the workshop, as it will help with dust management and most of your regularly used power tools. Also, the bag has a convenient gauge window that makes it easy to monitor the amount of dirt, so that you know when it needs emptying. The Powermatic has the most powerful motor, 1.75 horsepower, in this video, and so you can be sure that it will be very reliable even before you buy it. This dust collector comes with a remote controlled digital timer that is also programmable to switch the machine off after a specific amount of time. With the turbo cone technology, you can always be sure of improved chip separation and more backpacking efficiency to minimize the frequency of emptying the dust bag. Powermatic uses a canister filter that will offer up to 6 times more filtering surface area than standard bags. For the woodworkers searching for a reliable and affordable wall dust collector, here is one of the best dust collectors for your money. It comes in a streamlined design that makes it easy to carry around and mount, and it also has a large enough bag that eliminates the need to keep emptying the dirt. This handy dust bag also has a built-in window that lets you monitor the level of dust to know when you need to empty it, and a convenient zipper that will make dumping easy. This dust collector is among the most affordable in this video, but it also has one of the smallest motors. But if you want to get a compact and highly reliable dust collector for your small workshop, this will be an excellent buy for you. As crucial as a dust collector might be for your workshop, you might not always have the resources or space to set up the central single or 2-stage dust collector. However, this does not mean that you should live with dust or rely on a simple dust mask alone, because there is still another great option, and this other option will entail using a shop vacuum for dust collection. With a shop vacuum and a few inexpensive accessories, you can set up an efficient dust collection system in no time, and you'll not even need any unique skills or tools to use it. And besides, from being a much cheaper alternative, you also get a portable dust collection system. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope that it's helped you. If it has, please give it a quick like. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you can see all our future videos. If you want to see much more information on each of these dust collectors, go over to our blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, to find out information on each one. Thank you very much.